everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Divide your hair into two equal halves, make plaits out of those two equal halves, keep inserting hair from the sides and then tie ponytails out of the upper and the lower sides of the hair. Carefully pull out these strands of hair through the gaps and give it a ribbony look. Decorate it properly with a rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two equal halves, then take one half of the hair, tie plaits from all the sides. Carefully take hair from one side and the other and keep tying it like a knot. It should be very carefully done so that it looks exactly like this. Then roll both the parts and attach it together with your favorite colored rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, take one part, tie it in the form of ponytail, insert it in another ponytail and then you are done. Take your hair, take one part of the hair and then divide it into two equal halves. Then keep taking plaits out of one half and the other. Attach both the ends properly and give it a ribbony look by pulling out few strands of the hair just like this from one side and the other. See how carefully it was done and it looks so good. Take your hair, divide it in the form of half ponytail. Then divide the ponytail again into two equal halves. Make plaits out of those two parts and tie it properly with a rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two equal halves. Then along with that equal halves, tie it in the form of layers. Keep attaching it with one and the other, leaving the other ends loose as well. It should be carefully done. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair from one side and the other and then you are completely done. Now decorate it with your favorite rubber band. See how beautiful and elegant this looks. It should be carefully done and you should be consistent to get it done properly. Take your hair, divide it into two equal halves and make ponytails out of those two equal halves. It should be lower. Then again take those ponytails and tie plaits along with the lengths of those two ponytails. Then attach those two ponytails together, roll it upwards in crisscross manner and pull it through the gap of the hair of one another. See how beautiful it looks. And then take the ends of those two ponytails, tie it again with a rubber band. Carefully pull out one strand and the other. Tie the lower end again with a rubber band and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, roll that ponytail upwards in the form of a circle and decorate it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Take the upper end, tie it again with a rubber band, roll it against the downward part, then again repeat the same process by inserting the leftover hair inside those circular parts and then you are done. Thank you for watching.